ready to turn your Basecamp project management skills into cold, hard cash. First, log into your Basecamp account and head to the Projects section. Scan through the listed projects, paying close attention to those that are either stagnant or lack clear ownership. These are your potential gold mines. Next, click into each promising project and thoroughly analyze the open tasks, recent discussions, and overall progress. Identify bottlenecks, unclear instructions, or any areas where you believe your expertise could add significant value. Now, draft a concise and professional proposal outlining the specific problems you've identified and the solutions you offer. Be sure to quantify the benefits of your involvement, such as improved efficiency, reduced costs, or faster turnaround times. Once you've perfected your proposal, send it directly to the project owner or relevant stakeholders within Basecamp. Highlight your understanding of their needs and your proven ability to deliver results. Finally, set clear expectations regarding your rates, deadlines, and payment terms. Remember, your project management experience is valuable, so don't be afraid to charge accordingly. Turn those Basecamp projects into a stream of income. Now go at that back.